I'm not done. Where are you going today?
Wash the hands! Why? It's boring. My hands are not dirty.
I found where I stay. Ha 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 ha.
Children, you need to wash your hand properly.
When?
Before eating, before class and after class. Before entering house, class or shop. After using toilet and after playing.
How?
There are 6 steps of washing hands. First, rub your palms together and rub the back of both hands. Second, interlace fingers and rub hands together. Third, interlock fingers and rub the back of finger of both hands. Fourth, rub fingers starting with the thumb in a rotating manner followed by index finger for both hands. Fifth, rub fingertips on the palm for both hands. And last step, rub both wrists in a rotating manner. To be clean, we need to wash hands for a while. You can sing happy birthday song 2 times in order to reach enough time to wash your hands cleanly.
Friends, do not forget to wash your hands.
Remember, sing happy birthday song 2 times while washing hands.